Don't shoot the damn bird.
Oh my gosh. Did the bird fall again?
Yeah, the bird is.
Why?
Get your dumb. Leave the bird alone, Fred. Oh my God. That is fucking torture. The bird's gonna be all brain dead and shit by the time y'all done throwing him.
It keeps landing on his feet.
It's a bird. Maybe he don't want to fly right now. Oh my God. That's not a fucking football, Fred. Oh my God.
Birds clean. Birds are clean.
Okay, he don't want to fly. Get you.
Think about the fuck up this dirty ass dirty shit.
You's a mean ass motherfucker. Hold this.
I mean,
Don't videotape me. I look like
that
a
can fly and I can't.
what?
I look like it's video recording. Why you fucking up the camera?
Don't put it on me.
What do you want me to do?
Put it on this retarded ass nigga.
You
Why
put it
gotta
on
be
him.
put on me? Do you know how much many motherfucking police are on my goddamn head? This is why you need to be recorded. See, man, that's federal time right there. And I ain't even did shit. That's like getting in a car and no keys. Where the fuck are you going? No.
He only got one picture?
I got four.
What are you doing? Here.
Motherfuckers talking about I'm a fire bug when she up
gosh.
there burning shit.
Leah. Her ass had a whole candle on fire. We was about to die. Don't fucking fucking perfume down there. The perfume is so flammable.
I was just about to say, hey, let me go in with your session in. You got some perfume or some lighter?
I'm about to say, do I look like the type of nigga that wear perfume?
Let's go burn the world. You got some axe?
You got jokes, huh?
You got some tags?
Not on.
I got tag. Damn, no. That would have been a good one. Should have had your V8. What? Should have had your V8. Should have recorded that moment.
Can you help me take this TV off the living room?
Well, you got my phone still? Is that still recording?